how to add paragraph shading in Microsoft Word. For example, I select this paragraph and I add paragraph shading here. Go to home on the upper left side on your screen. Go to paragraph section and you can see here the paragraph shading icon here. And on the right side of this, you can see the arrow down button. You can click this and select the color you want to put on this paragraph. So for example, I put green and that's it. Okay, we have successfully add paragraph shading. So if you want more shading or more paragraph with shade, okay, you'll have to do is select or highlight the text you want to add paragraph shading. And after that, go to home on the upper left side on your screen, go to paragraph section, and you can see here the paragraph shading here. So you'll have to do is click this to put a shading on this paragraph or text. And if you want to change the color, so for example, I change the color of this, highlight again, and go to home on the upper left side on your screen, go to paragraph, and here you can see the paragraph shading icon. So click the arrow down button on the right side, and now you can see here the color. So for my example, I change into yellow. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the color of shading. And if you want more color, go to home on the upper left side on your screen, go to paragraph, and go to paragraph icon, and on the right side you can see the arrow down button, click this, and below this you can see the more color. So if you want more color, click this, and now you can find the color you want. You can slide to the right or left to change the color. So for my example, this color, and after you select the color, click the OK button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed color. So if you want to remove this paragraph shading, you'll have to do is highlight the text. Okay, go to home on the upper left side on your screen, go to paragraph section, and here you can see the paragraph shading. And on the right side of this, you can see the arrow down, go to this, and now here you can see the no color. Click this to remove the paragraph shading on your text.